Uh, these are the words that we have practiced on in the past 2 weeks. So I hope this will be helpful to you. These are the words, and remember that a and de or dal and re, okay, and z, okay. These are all non-connectors. It means whenever you have a word in which these occur, no other sound, no other letter can be added to them after it, before yes. Also remember that this one has another shape, and that is this, okay? They are the same, except that this one is at the beginning, used at the beginning, and this one is used either in the middle position or in the final position. Now, taking these into consideration, let's go to some other consonants that we have learned in these 2 weeks. One is b, okay, which is connector. B, okay, connector, b, connector, okay, and also we have worked on n, nun or n, nun or ne. The name for this letter is nun, but the pronunciation is ne, 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 like noon in English, like neither or neither, okay. That's what we have. And okay, well, also we worked on this, that in Persian we have 6 vowels. The number 1 vowel is E, okay, E as in English, like deed, let's say seed, lead. And how we write it in Persian, we write it like this, okay? But this one has a short form when it wants to be connected. So it's one of the connectors. So it has 2 forms. This is the one which is used at the end of the word, or actually if it is written separately. But if you want to use it as a vowel connected, that will be different. The second one is A, but A does not have any letter to go with that, but we have a sign, and that's the sign, okay? That's the sign you can see under it, okay? This is the sign, okay? This is the sign. Oh, sorry. This is the sign for A. Then for A, we don't have any corresponding letter, so we put it this way: A on the top, okay? A. These are not letters; they are signs, okay? For A, we have this. This is A initially, and A finally, or in the middle position. Number 5, we don't have a symbol for that. We have a sign, and the sign is like a kind of apostrophe. Okay, so we can put something like no, not like this, the apostrophe like this. Even not this one. We can put no, maybe no. So it's like a comma, like a comma. Okay, I'll show you later on. Okay, when we go to Persian words. And number 6 is u, okay, and u is so number 5 is o, e a o, and then number 6 would be u, okay, u. Now let's go to some words. Ob, water. Ob. How come they are written separately? Because A or Aleph is non-connector, so B should be written separately. Okay. Now, the next word we learn was ba, mean dad. Now, how come they are written like this? Because B is connector, A or Aleph is non-connector, then B is connector, then this is not connector, okay? So ba. We worked on ba, okay? Ba. The next word we learned was bod. 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 Wind. Bod. Wind. Now, why do we write it like that? B is connector. Aleph, A is non-connector. Then D should be written separately. We also had this one, N. It is connector. So we say na, okay, na. And then because A or Aleph is non-connector, so we said non. So you see, N has two shapes. One is this, which is N, connected. And if it is non-connected, it's like a semicircle, and then we put a dot in there. Remember that there is a difference between this one and this one. These two look like each other, except that this one has a dot under it, and this one has a dot on the top of it. So that makes a difference between B and N. Okay? So non. Okay? The next word we worked on in the class was something like this. Bod, bon. Bod, bon means a sail on a boat. B, connector. A or Aleph, non-connector. D, non-connector. B, connector. A, non-connector. And N at the end should be written separately. It can't be in the form of this. It cannot be like this because this is connected, but this one is not connected, separately written. So it should be a full, sorry, not a full circle, but a full semicircle like this. Bod, bon. Bod, bon. Bod, bon. Another word was Dara. Dara is the name for a boy. Why are they written separately? D is non-connector, A is non-connector, Re is non-connector, A is non-connector. So they should be written separately. Okay? Dara. Da, ra. Da, ra. Now this one, R, A, D, A, R. Radar. Radar. Okay? Radar. R, A, D, A, R. Radar. So, why are they written separately? Re is non-connector, A is non-connector, D is non-connector, A non-connector, and this should be written separately. That's why they are not connected. Okay, they are all non-connectors. Radar. Another one, A, R, D. Okay? A, R, D. Ard. Ard means flower. F-L-O-U-R. Okay? Ard. Why are they written separately? Because all of these three are non-connectors. Okay? The other word we learned was B, A, R, A, N. Okay? B connector, A, which is Aleph, non-connector, R, non-connector, A or Aleph, non-connector, and then Nun should be written at the end by itself, separately. Boron, it means rain. Boron. Oh, sorry. Let me just, they connect. Boron. Boron. Boron means rain. We also learned B, and then I put this A on the top. That would be ba. Then B is connector. This one is connector. So I put a re, and then it is connected. It would be bar. Bar. And now re is non-connector. I cannot connect any other letter. So I say bara. Again, Aleph is also non-connector. I put a D, again, non-connector. Then I said A, ba, ra, dar. Okay? So this is how barodar means brother. Okay? Let me write again. B, A, R, A, D, barodar, barodar. The next word was this one. I put this and I put at it on the bottom, and that would be pronounced a. Remember that this one is, where is it? This one, it was aw. It has a something on the top. Aw. But this one is a. Non-connector, I put a n connector, a non-connector, and r. Anor, pomegranate. A, n, a, anor. Again. A, n, a, anor, pomegranate. Then another word we have n. Oh, let me just write down this one first. D, a, d. Dorad. D, a, dad. D. Dorad. Dorad means he or she has. Now again. D, a, d. Dorad means she or he has. Now, if you put a n in the beginning, at the beginning of the word of this verb, which means somebody has or the person has, it will be n, a, d, a, d, and that would be n, a, d, a, d. Na, do, rad. Na, do, rad. Once more. Na, do, rad. Nadorad. It means he or she does not have. Again, n, a, d, a, d. Nadorad. Okay. And we had also this one, this combination of this. B, a, that would be one word. Ba means with. A, da, b. Ba adab. How come they are written this way? B is connector, A is non-connector, A is non-connector, D a non-connector, B is written separately. So ba adab. It means very polite, somebody who is polite, okay? B, a, ba, a, da, b. Ba adab, okay? Ba adab. One more word, and then I stop, and then go to the what we did today at the college. Okay, the other word we learned was the non-connector, n connector. The non-connector, I put a, da, n, dan, the a non-connector, n. That would be dandon. Dandon means tooth. Okay, let me write it again. D, a, da, n, da, a, n. Okay, these are the words that we learned last week, but today we learned some other words. I'm going to record them in a different clip. Okay, I hope you can enjoy it and try to practice it, and I hope that will be useful. Okay, so let me stop this. Okay, then and